Guys, maybe this is a problem today. Yes, guys, let's go, guys. I can do this easily. I know, it's just 2 minutes left. Okay guys, just do this. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go guys. This is just a 1 in a million chance.
Di ba kung 18% ako? Paano na ito?
Okay guys, let's do this. Okay, 1, 2, let's go. I know guys, let's do this. Let's do this fast. I'm super close with.
Nandito ka pa daw sa ACP?
Hindi, nanonood ako iba. Come on guys. I will show you my Roblox stick. You can stop and it anytime. But let me go fast first. Let me speed one. Let's speed one, guys. This is actually hard like usually.
Laro ako rivals.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Laro kayo ng rivals ko nun.
Boom. Let's go, guys.
Laro ka rin.
Come on, guys.
Laro ka rin.
Come on, guys. Let's go do this.
Laro ka rin.
Wait down. You can cheat on here. You can cheat, guys. You can cheat. I give up. 110. Let's go, guys. Let me buy this.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
I don't want to dance.
It's raining tacos.
I don't want to dance. The black color too. I'm making this a fusion color with the space. Wala ko din. Pasakay din.
Hindi ko sa ACP ko.
What are you just doing? Are you join the group? You can go here. Okay, I can join the group too. Just join the group. Yeah, you can slow me. I will stop you over there. You can cheat too here. This is a new cheat code today. I will book this. Pag gusto yung number, papatay ka. Tsaka new obby. Okay guys, guys.
Nakita ko dun.
Okay guys, let's do this. And we cannot reach it because I wish just blue. And this is a new cheating code too.